'Cause yesterday morning they let me know you were gone. Susan, the plans they made put an end to you. I walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. Oh, but I always thought that I'd see you again. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You gotta help me make a stand. You just gotta see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand, and I wouldn't have it any other way. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. Oh, but I always thought I'd see you again. Been wasting my mind through an easy time, my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. And all this time on the telephone line, talking about things to come, sweet dreams of flying machines and pieces on the ground. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. Oh, but I always thought I'd see you one more time again. Thought I'd see you, fire and rain. It's just a few things running by this time again. I thought I'd see you,